channel. If you're new here, my name is Amber. Hey girl, hey. And today's video, this is not a sponsored video, but I thought that I should come on here and tell y'all about this wig that I got from my local beauty supply store. This wig is by the Naked brand. As you can see, it's by the Naked brand. It's Brazilian natural, 100% human hair, premium wig. You can dye it, you can bleach it, you can perm the wig if you want to. The color that I have is a natural, and this is what the wig looks like. Here's the back. Sorry that it's dirty. I have my makeup and stuff on it because yeah. So in here it tells you the hair care instructions. Pretty much they said before washing hair, brush out all the tangles, starting from the bottom and work your way up to the weft. For curly hair, do not brush, just finger comb the tangles to remove all the tangles. But since this is a straight hair, you don't have to worry about the curly hair part. It says to fill the sink or a large container with lukewarm water and add shampoo. Swish the wig in the shampoo and water and gently wash. Condition it is a must after shampooing to add softness and to restore moisture. Gently squeeze the excess wig out. Do not rub or twist the hair. Pat dry with a clean towel. Place the wig on a wig stand and let it air dry. Now, I have washed this wig 3 times since I had it. I had this wig for about 2 months now. Like when I said this is my go-to wig for work, this is my go-to wig for work. Right now I'm just in a wig cap and I got my hair braided in 2 braids, which I definitely need to wash my hair, and I might record that for you guys. I'll probably do like a natural hair. I want to do something with my natural hair, but I don't know what I want to do to it, so I'm still thinking about that. What I use to shampoo this hair is the silicone mix shampoo. I also use the conditioner too, but I ran out of conditioner, and since I don't have that conditioner no more, I use the Cream of Nature Pure Honey conditioner. Those are what I use to wash and condition the hair, and then I use lukewarm water like they said, and then I let it air dry. When I tell you that this wig air dries so fast, like it'll be ready in like 3 hours. Like once you wash your hair and let it and put it on a wig stand, the hair will be dry in like 3 hours. It don't take no time for this hair to dry. And as you can see, here's the wig right here. I washed this hair 3 times and it bounced back every single time. I don't use no oils in this hair because it really don't need it. I use the Silk Elements heat protective spray, and then I flat iron my hair, and I only use this once after I shampoo my hair because I don't have to constantly spray that heat protectant on here. But here's the wig, and I'm gonna show you how easy this is. Like this is literally a shake and go wig. All I'm just gonna do is just adjust the straps because it's adjustable. Yeah, I've been rocking this wig for 2 months. If you need something that's hair to protect your natural hair, I've been rocking this baby. And it don't really get tangled or anything. It's just a bomb wig. Like I really love this wig, and I want to see if they have more wigs like this you know, easy shake and go type wig. Let me see. Since my hair is in 2 cornrows right now. At first I had it in 6 cornrows, but I was gonna wash my hair, but I didn't really have time to wash my hair because I had to be at work, and plus I got a baby, so I'm gonna wash my hair this weekend after the holiday, and I'm gonna do something with my natural hair. Okay. You see how quick and easy this wig is? Like so freaking easy, so easy. I love this wig, and I love the bang. The bang is just right. Let me really work my magic. I'm gonna turn you guys over so you can see me. I'm in my bathroom right now. Turn it over. Yeah. I love this freaking wig. Okay, so what I'm about to do, I'm just gonna go with the flat irons really quick, like super duper quick. You don't even need that much. And I just washed this hair like, I washed this hair like 2 days ago. It's just so pretty. I normally just flat iron my bang last. Does this hair shed? It sheds. This hair definitely sheds, but do it sheds like a dog? No, it doesn't. But it does shed. But that is expected. That is expected, you know. Your hair is going to shed. I wish this hair was longer because I like long hair, because you know me, I like to be long and like a nice little bang, but for the most part I am done. Like, that's it. I am done. You see how quick and easy that is? Like, it chops my time up for going to work. It chops it down because all I just have to do is just throw the wig on and keep it moving. So you guys should definitely invest in this wig. I paid $65 altogether. Yeah, I paid $65 for this, and that's $65 well spent, because guess what? We're 2 months later and I'm still rocking this wig. And I'm gonna continue to rock this wig till I figure out what I'm gonna do with my natural hair. But I don't know if I want to get braids or do I want to do like a little natural look, but I am done. You see how fast that was? Like, baby, a good 5 minutes and you done with your hair, and you just look good. Period. So if you guys want this wig, I'm gonna try to find a link to this wig to see if you guys can order it from there. Or you can do is, or you can just go to your local beauty supply store and look for this. She is called Dion. This is the Dion wig by Naked. So hopefully you guys can find her. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna try to find a link, maybe find a wig link to see if I can link it down, but that's it, baby. I'm done. So if you like this video, if you want me to continue to do hair reviews and other things, just let me know in the comment below. Like this video so I know that you like the video, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll check you guys in the next video. Bye.